Hello, challengers. So today we're talking about before and after pictures. We're going to talk about the power of them and how they can really motivate you to keep going with your journey and how they can help you see your progress. So traditionally, we would often think of how to measure our success by looking at a scale. So a scale tells us very little. It tells us our weight as a whole. It doesn't tell us how much muscle we've gained, how much fat we've lost, or how much strength or endurance we've really gained. It doesn't tell us what part of our body has shrunk and what part of our body has gained muscle or mass or size. So it's important to be able to measure your success, to see that progress and see kind of the growth that you're maybe going after. So everyone's going to have a different goal, but these ways of measuring your success will help you to identify if you're reaching your goal or not. So there's two things you want to do. You want to take before pictures and after pictures once we're done our first challenge. You also want to take measurements, okay? So that's number 2. So pictures and measurement. So pictures tell us a lot of things. They let us see our start point. They let us see where our body has tightened, shrunk, gained size from muscle growth. It allows us to see our strength because we'll be able to see muscle lines like the arm or our legs, all right? It's a really good visual. It's a good motivator. It's something to look at and look back at in 3 months from now and see where you started. It will give you that extra push and it will really make this experience a lot more rewarding. Measurements also allow you to see how much you've lost in inches. How much have you shrunk down or gained in size? So for myself, when I first started my journey, I wanted to lose inches. I wanted to see fat go away and start to tone and tighten my skin. Now a lot of it is looking at to gain size. So I'm kind of at my weight. I still want to lose a little bit of fat size in my legs, but I would like to gain inches in muscle. So when we start thinking about goals and you're starting to go after them, you're going to be able to see if those goals are being reached or how much further you have to go or if you've exceeded them by your measurements and your pictures. I like to take a lot of pictures, so I always take one at the beginning and one at the end, but then I also take ones often on Fridays for Flex Friday. I do an arm shot, I do sometimes a leg shot, my stomach to see if I'm getting abs, all that kind of stuff. And it helps me to motivate me from day to day to week and month to month. All right, so this has been the thing that's really pushed me. To be quite honest, I don't really ever step on a scale unless someone asks me how much I currently weigh. So it's not something that really tells me anything. The scale could tell me I weigh 150 pounds, but if I'm solid muscle and I'm 5'1", I mean, I'm pretty in shape. If I weigh 200 pounds and I'm 5'7" and I'm solid muscle, that's incredible. Someone could be 5'7" and weigh 117, or it could be 200 pounds, and they could be equally the same size, but it doesn't tell you about your strength, your health, or your endurance at all. So weight on a scale tells you nothing. It just tells you how much you weigh. All right. I actually had a conversation yesterday with a girl in a lineup at Pita Pit. She told me that she has been roughly 145 pounds for the last 8 years, and she's been fairly in shape because she played competitive hockey. And in the last 6 months, she has gained 15 pounds, and she saw it, and she said she literally almost doubled over and started crying. She didn't know how to take that. And then her boyfriend came in and told her, you know what? You look incredible. And I think that's really powerful because she had gains. So I think that's something to really think about. That conversation really hit me because I've had moments like that where I've thought, oh my goodness, I gained 8 pounds. But then I look at a picture and I saw my back and I was like, wow, that was 8 pounds of muscle. And it's hard to kind of take that in when you look at a number on a scale. So let people know about your journey. Let your husband, your boyfriend, your wife, a family member, a friend, be a part of that with you. Let them motivate you and help keep you on track, because sometimes you might step on that scale and have a moment of, I only lost 2 pounds. How is that possible? I've been working out and eating healthy the whole time. But the truth is, you might have lost 10, 15 pounds in fat, but you might have gained 8 pounds in muscle. So your scale isn't going to move. So you need to let other people motivate you and show you that you're successful and that you look great and that you should be proud of your journey. So share it. Don't hide it. So my goal for you today is to get your pictures in either by the end of tonight for yourself or by tomorrow morning. I encourage you to send these to your coach because it keeps you accountable. It helps them to motivate you and know your goals. But if you're not comfortable with that, definitely put them into a little collage on your phone for yourself. I use a self-timer app to take them myself, or else if I'm at home, I'll get Tyson to take them for me. But definitely get that done. If you feel comfortable, post them in the challenge group so others can motivate you as well. I will be posting mine in the challenge group, and I'm sure other coaches will be as well. So definitely post them in there so we can all cheer you on right from the beginning. So have a wonderful day, and I cannot wait to see those pictures. Bye.